Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, it's the next day. It's Sunday, June 11th, as I received my hardcover journal. I've already done the unboxing for it, so that'll be the next clip after you've seen this intro to the video. Oh my goodness, you guys, it turned out so good. But right now, it's still promo because I want to tell you about my 3 books I have. Yes, 3 out on Amazon to go purchase if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to. My first one I have right here, which is Spooky Sirens at the Sea. I did this one for Mermaid, and I've colored in here. I haven't done a total flip through yet because I haven't finished it. Like, here's what I colored. So I haven't finished it. I finished Mermaid, but I haven't finished this coloring book yet. So there's that. So maybe I'll finish it soon. I don't know. But anyways, here is Spooky Sirens at the Sea. My first one is the glossy cover. I go a little bit detail in my other videos about it. Here's the back of it. And a very old picture before I got my hair cut. So see, that was my first book. My second book is Circus Cuties, or Circus Cutie coloring book, and it's basically circus animals and then circus themed drawings and line art coloring page that you could color. And the pages are duplicated because if in case you messed up or something, you know, you can go back and fix it. I had so much fun doing this one. I haven't yet colored it, but here's the back of it. And I'm doing my coloring books black so they can match and coordinate and be cohesive. And then finally, which you'll see the unboxing for this third book, which is not a coloring book. It is a spiritual messages journal, and that I created. Here is the cover that you'll see once you get it. And then on the inside is the goals and everything here. I've already filled some of it out, like I did some meditation work. But it has spirit guides, it has meditation messages, and it has everything you need in this pocket journal, meditation messages. It is a 5 by 8, I think. And I have a little illustration down here for the notes, and then my tarot card readings back here. It has everything you need in this journal for your meditation. And what I thought of, I could have included tips and tricks, but I'm thinking about doing an angel workbook next. So I was thinking of including tips and tricks in that, and can use this on the side of the angel workbook, but that's not coming out. I haven't even started working on it yet. So, here's the back with the recent picture. But here's the back. And funny thing was, I was working on this on Mother's Day, and I was like, I want to do a hardcover journal with everything I need in one place. Instead of being like, oh, I don't know, like, you know, I have different notebooks, but everything's in one place. That is what this journal is for. It's an angel journal. It's mainly an angel journal for angel readings and whatnot, and symbols. Basically everything in one place. So, and it's to help you grow spiritually. So I'm really excited how this came out and everything. I have an area, like I said, for your goals and your name. So make it personalized. So yeah, I'm not going to do an example. I might do a later video of me filling this out. But for now, I think it's enough self-promotion, I guess you could say. But I'm really excited about this journal. And it's hardcover, and I'm very pleased. I was very worried if it will not have color in it, that I didn't mark the color option, but it turned out great, so I'm really excited. Here at the back again, and it has a little code at the bottom, so it's official. So I'm really excited. So let me end the video intro before we go to the unboxing. Buy these books as well on Amazon, and as well as this one as well too. So I am really excited for these books, and it's the summer of my dream coming true of being a published author, and Amazon just makes it so much easy, and it will print out the book for you. So I'm really excited. I'm doing this through Amazon KDP. Definitely go check that out if you want to publish your own books. It's very easy. I use also Canva, so definitely go check that out as well, and I do the PDF from there. If you want a full tutorial on how I do KDP, just let me know in the comments down below. I don't know how I'm going to go about doing that, so I will see what I can do and everything. So I am really excited. So I will give you on that, and I will leave you guys, I keep clapping, sorry. I will leave you guys with the unboxing, and let's get to it. Okay, hey guys. Oh my gosh, my heart's pounding so bad. Okay, so in this box, very special box. I have the size folded down so you don't see my address. But I'm unboxing my journal. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm so nervous too. Okay, so I'm unboxing the journal. Oh my gosh, I'm like shaky. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so pretty. It's glossy. And it has my cover page. Oh my gosh. OMG. What was I worried about? Like, it has the angel reading. And it has the... Oh... Okay, I'm like stoked. Okay, we're going for a hardcover journal from now on. I am just saying. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have the angel reading. Like, we have notes. I'm going to do symbols on the notes, and the paper quality is so good. It's all colored. That was what I'm mainly worried about. Here is the spirit guide section of the journal. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys. I'm like so excited of how it came out. We have spirit guides. Oh my gosh, you guys. We have the spirit guide names. We have the messages. We have spirit guide messages. And this is like a section by section journal. We have the meditation messages. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. We have the meditation messages. We have... oh my gosh, you guys. And then we also have tarot card messages. And so like, oh my gosh. I saved my meditation. Oh my gosh, I'm like shaky. I'll do a top-down view better in a minute, but I just want to. And I did my tarot card messages. Like, you can have your question. Date messages, and I usually do 5 cards, so I want space for 5 cards. And I forgot to do the question on here, but I'll do that for the next journal. But here is, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm like shaky. I was so nervous getting this journal, because this is my first time doing this size journal. And here, I meant to put this on, like, here you have your belongs to, and I did a little angel wing heart. And then I usually like to do gold or something for the book. So here's your belongs to goals, and then here is the back where, oh my gosh, you guys, oh my gosh, it turned out so perfect. What was I worried about? I'm like shaky. Oh my gosh, you guys. And the paper quality and everything. And I chose glossy because I wanted to look professional. But oh my gosh, you guys. This turned out perfect. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I want to put down top-down view of the journal for you guys. And I am really excited. So I will do that in a minute. Okay, hey guys. welcome to this video. As you can tell, my excitement, this is my first time, but usually when I do KDP, books and everything, I'm usually doing, oh gosh, coloring books. And I was like, okay, I really want to do a spiritual messages journal for my meditation practices. And when I talk to angels and stuff. So, this is perfect for that. And here is the front. And I chose a light blue for the back. And it says, please use the journal for your spiritual growth. And it's made for tarot card reading, oracle card reading messages you receive from the angels, fairy guides, and divine source. I hope you enjoy this journal and it will help you grow. So I did that, and I put my other coloring books as well, Sirens in the Sea, Circus, Cuties. Oh my gosh, you guys, it turned out great. Oh my gosh. I love how the image is so big and not so little, which I was afraid of. And I'm talking a lot because I'm really excited. Here's a blank page. And I wanted a cover page for you guys so it could feel like set in stone, like it's really spiritual messages. So I included a little cover page here. And then also we have the cover page. We have this page as well. And then we start off with the angel reading. We have the question. We have the angel's name. We have the messages and so far and what you're working with. Here I did note that I could just doodle on this if I wanted to for like symbols and stuff I receive. But here's another angel reading, and there's a lot of angel reading in here because I wanted the journal to focus on that. And here you get these two illustrations. Also, I haven't seen a journal like this on Amazon, so I wanted to create it. So here I have spirit guide names and messages. Then I have notes and spirit guide names, spirit guides. And then I'm not going to give too much away because I want this to be a surprise when you guys get it. But meditation messages, same thing, what I'm feeling, symbols I'm seeing, messages, divine source. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So I hope you guys like this video. I am so excited how this came out. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I prove I can make hardcover journals. This is the perfect size and how I would like to carry around in my purse or whatever, and you know, take it with me on trips and everything. And on the side, spiritual message journal there's my name. So I'm really excited, you guys. I am so excited. I'm like shaky. So it's about to storm here, so I'm gonna wrap this up, and I am so excited. You have no idea. It turned out so good. I'm really excited. And then here is the back of the journal and everything. So yeah, and here's the barcode for it. And here's my picture also, my latest update picture. So I hope you guys like this video. Sorry it's so rambling and a mess and everything. I hope you guys like it. Go grab this journal on Amazon, KDP. I'll make sure there's a link in the description down below. Turn the notification bell on. It came actually early. It was supposed to be 13th through the 15th. But I'm so excited that it came. So I'm really excited. I can't say that enough. I need to slow down. This is my third book. On Amazon, I have right here actually, which I showed you in the intro, Circus Cuties coloring book. You can grab it on Amazon as well if you want to color the circus. So there's just some illustrations I did in here as well. I haven't colored them yet. Just wanted to grab a copy. So I do have Spooky Sirens of the Sea coloring book as well. So I just proved to myself I can do hardcover journals now. So I am really excited. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on and go grab a journal yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.